Hold on to your hats. The Poco X6 and X6 Pro smartphones are revving up for a grand entrance onto the global stage. Brace yourselves because the official announcement is on the verge of dropping like confetti at a New Year's Eve bash. Himanshu Tandon, the maestro behind Poco India, just gave us a Christmas tweet that's practically screaming, "Get ready for the Poco X6 series extravaganza." Picture this. Happy Xmas, everyone. Santa is coming with a gift soon. That's right. Santa might be bringing us the gift of cutting-edge smartphones, and the excitement is off the charts. Now let's spill the beans on what we can expect from these game-changers. The Poco X6, rumored to be the Redmi Note 13 Pro in disguise, is gearing up to dazzle us with a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, boasting 1.5K resolution and a mind-blowing 120Hz refresh rate. Powering this beast is the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor, flaunting LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Oh, did I mention the potential 64-megapixel main camera? Yeah, it's a photography powerhouse. But wait, there's more. The Poco X6 Pro, possibly the Redmi K70E's Ultra Edo, is bringing an OLED display that could blind you with its 1800 nits peak brightness and silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it's packing the Dimensity 8300 Ultra SoC, with LPDDR5 XRAM and UFS 4.0 storage for that extra oomph. Cameras, don't even get me started. The X6 Pro is rumored to flaunt a triple-lens setup with a 64-megapixel main sensor and optical image stabilization for Instagram-worthy shots. Selfies, covered with a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. Hold on to your seatbelts because the Poco X6 series is gearing up to set the smartphone scene ablaze in late 2024. Stay tuned for the latest updates. We're on standby for the smartphone event of the year.